Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the Shortcuts tool. This is the actual, reliable way to strip an iPhone photo background. Open Shortcuts, tap plus to create a shortcut that accepts photos. Add the action Remove Background from Image. That isolates the subject and outputs a transparent PNG. Then add Save to Photo Album or Copy to Clipboard so you can reuse the subject immediately. This gets you out of menus fast. Once done, you'll have a transparent image ready for the next steps. Next, refine the shortcut so it fits your workflow. Use Get Photos or Ask When Run to choose the exact shot, then remove the background. If you need a specific size, add Resize Image to set pixels and Convert Image to PNG to keep transparency. To place the subject onto a new background inside the same shortcut, add Combine Images or Overlay Image and choose Alignment and Scale. Make sure to test with different images so the shortcut behaves consistently and save. Finally, run your shortcut. Pick the photo, pick the background, and let the shortcut save the composed image back to Photos. You can also copy the subject PNG to paste into any app that accepts images. If the subject's edges look hard, add a tiny blur or feather in the overlay step, or scale down slightly to hide artifacts. If the Remove Background action fails or misapparates the subject, make sure iOS is updated. Retry with a higher contrast image, or retake the photo on a simpler background.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.